Kids Got Web allows you to create a website. It contains an online tool and a book that has 10 levels. After completing all levels, you will have a website. A website is like a book. It has pages and allows you to tell a story. A domain is the address of your website, as google.com, coolmath-games.com, friv.com. You must use a browser like Chrome or Firefox to access a website. Using tabs in a browser, you can open several websites at the same time. So, let's complete level 1, create your account. Creating your account will allow you to start building your website. Each level has steps. The green key takes you to the next step. This level has 3 steps. Step 1, go to kgotw.com. Think of the name of a website. Enter the name of your website. You should not use your real name or special characters, such as pound, $sign, %sign, @ or space. Example, My Cool Cats. Once you enter your name, click the green key. Step 2, access your website account by entering your domain in the address bar of any browser. Step 3, your website should look like this. If so, great, you have created your website account. Remember your domain. You have completed level 1. You are on your way. To start level 2, you will need to get the book. How? Scroll to the bottom of your website and click Admin Login. On the next page, enter your website name. For example, My Cool Cat, and enter the password 1234. Now, within the tool, click Get Book, and in the book, click Level 2. Now you can start building your website.